Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the page details extractor from the PandaExtract tool. In the previous video I showed you how to extract lists such as this one, and now I will show you how to extract details from specific pages from that list such as this one. So let's get started. Let's click on the page details extractor button. Now, there's two things you can do. You can either upload a CSV with URLs you already previously collected, or you can use it from an existing data source that you've collected with this tool. I'm going to start with the Nike list with 64 rows. I'm going to use these URLs, and then it will automatically guide me to the page, and I can click to select the elements that I want. Now, as you can see, the element picker will light up yellow when you hover over specific elements, and you can do either specific elements one by one, but for now I'm going to select the whole page, and I'm going to finish my selection. You can also use faster extraction. That means that it will work in 5 taps at the same time, but for now I'm going to use the regular extraction. And all you have to do is click start, and then it will start extracting all the data. As you can see, it will go page by page and select all the elements that I have chosen. So for now, I'm going to stop the extraction. And then I can click on View Data, and the data table will pop up with all the elements collected in this list. Some websites, unlike the Nike website, hide their data behind a Click to View button, such as this one, which means that you have to click on the button to even see the phone number. So we've added this feature that allows you to click on the click to view, which will then open the phone number, which it does for all pages that you want to extract. And then you can go back to the element picker and hover over the field that you want the data from. Finish selection, such as in the other use case, and then you can start the extraction. So when the extraction process is done, you can click on View Data and the data table will pop up. I will make it big. And then, as you can see, it collected all the fields that we wanted. And of course, you can export it to any file that you need.